Hello friends, today I am sharing this very easy stained glass nail art design for very short nails. If you like abstract nail art and your nails are pretty short, then this is the perfect design for you. For this design, apply any base color of your choice and let it dry completely. Then I used white polish on half of the nail diagonally. I am using this white matte polish, but you can apply a layer of glossy white polish as well. Let the white polish dry and then I used black polish to make some lines as shown. Now make some lines to create some spaces. They don't have to be of a particular shape, just make some random spaces because this is an abstract nail art. And once you create the border, all you need are polishes of your choice to fill in the spaces. So choose your favorite polishes and randomly fill up the spaces as shown. You can directly use the polish brush, or if you are not so sure, you can use a small paint brush or the nail art brush to fill in the spaces. Once all the spaces are filled up by colors of your choice, you may also leave some spaces white if you want. After filling in all the colors, I redid the black line using the black nail polish again to make it more detailed. I also gave the border of my nails a thin line using the same black nail polish so that the whole area gets covered up inside the black line. When the design is dry completely, finish it off by applying a layer of glossy top coat and your easy abstract stained glass nail art design is done. For my pointer finger, I used the white polish towards the center of the nail as shown, and I repeated the same process like I had done with my other nail. Only the placement of the design is a little bit different. I gave the black border using the black nail polish and I made the compartments as before and filled in with colors of my choice as before. And after that, I finally reapplied the black polish and finished off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. This is the design of my little finger. I hope you liked this very easy stained glass abstract nail art design for short nails, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.